What does addiction cost you? More than money, it steals your time, your energy, your dreams. Addiction isn't just about substances. It's social media scrolling when you should be working. It's that cigarette when stress hits. It's the impulse to numb instead of act. Each moment you give in is a moment your future self loses. And that future, it's waiting for you, successful, free, wealthy, if you fight for it now. Imagine waking up one day and realizing your addiction has quietly robbed you of years, your health, your relationships, your finances. That fear, it's real, but it's also a spark to ignite change. This video will give you the tools, the knowledge, and the mindset to break free, to reclaim your mind and build the wealthy life you deserve. Act 1. Understanding addiction and your brain. Step 1. The science of addiction. Addiction hijacks the brain's reward system. Dopamine floods, teaching your brain to crave the quick fix. But there's a catch. Over time, natural rewards like achievement or connection pale in comparison. Your brain rewires, making you chase short-term pleasure at the expense of long-term gains. Think about this. Every time you choose the quick fix, you're training your brain to crave less control. But neuroscience also tells us this is reversible. Neuroplasticity means your brain can rewire itself. You can reclaim control, but only if you understand the enemy first. Step 2. The psychological trap. Addiction isn't just physical, it's emotional. Feelings like stress, loneliness, or boredom trigger cravings. These triggers feel overwhelming, but they're manageable once you recognize them. Imagine addiction as a shadow following you, growing bigger when you feel weak. But what if you could shine a light on that shadow? What if you could break its hold by understanding your emotions instead of running from them? Step 3. Why willpower alone fails. Most people think just quit is the answer, but willpower is limited, like a muscle that tires. It's why so many attempts to quit fail. Success comes from redesigning your life and habits so that willpower isn't your only defense. It's about changing your identity and your daily routines so addiction loses its grip. Step 4. Identifying your why. Before fighting addiction, you must know why you want freedom. Your why is your anchor in the storm. Is it financial freedom? The chance to build wealth? To be present for loved ones? Whatever it is, write it down, feel it, and return to it every day. Your why fuels your fight when motivation fades. Act 2. The road to freedom. Step 5. Building your new identity. You aren't someone trying to quit. You are a focused, powerful person who does not need addiction in their life. Identity shifts your perspective from "I can't" to "I choose not to." Use affirmations like, "I am disciplined," "I am free," "I am building wealth." Speak these daily to reprogram your mind. Step 6. The 3R strategy. Recognize, replace, reinforce. Identify your triggers honestly. What emotional or physical cues spark your cravings? Once you recognize these, replace the old response with a new habit. If stress makes you want to smoke, replace it with exercise or deep breathing. Then reinforce your new habit by rewarding yourself with positive affirmations or small treats that support your goal. Step 7. Environment mastery. Your surroundings shape your behavior dramatically. Remove temptation by deleting apps, avoiding places, or distancing from toxic influences. Fill your space with cues for success, motivational quotes, financial goals, or reminders of your why. Make your environment your ally in the battle against addiction. Step 8. Keystone habits that create momentum. Certain habits ripple through your life and create massive change. Morning routines that include meditation or journaling, budgeting to build financial discipline, exercise for mental clarity. These create a foundation that strengthens your resolve. Step 9. Handling relapses without defeat. Slip-ups happen. They don't erase your progress. They are lessons. When you relapse, analyze what triggered it, forgive yourself, and restart immediately. Resilience is built by how fast you get back up. Act 3. Building a life worth living. Step 10. Harnessing your new clarity for wealth. Addiction fades. Clarity rises. Use this mental freedom to focus on wealth building. Educate yourself about money, invest wisely, and make conscious financial choices. Your time is your most valuable asset. Don't waste it scrolling or numbing. Invest it in assets, skills, and connections that multiply your wealth and freedom. Step 11. The power of purpose-driven wealth. True wealth isn't just dollars. It's peace, purpose, and freedom. Build a life that reflects your values, a life where addiction has no space. This is your legacy. If you're this far, you're already winning. But freedom isn't a destination, it's a journey. Ready to level up and put your new clarity to work? Subscribe The Profit Journey. Click here to watch How to Start Investing in Crypto in 2025 Step-by-Step Guide. Because your future deserves more than freedom, it deserves wealth.